Hey there guys, welcome to another unboxing. Today we have a new pair of kit, the Sennheiser HD 599. Brand new pair of kits from Sennheiser. So I thought I'd film a little unboxing, tell you guys what I like, what I don't like, and yeah, you know. So look around the box. We got a little bloke right here, Turn the other side. We got what seems to be included in the box. Round back, we got some little bullet points in different languages. Sennheiser transducers for optimum sound experience. Comfortable earpads for long listening and replaceable earpads. And then it just says that in multiple languages. So this is a nice piece of kit. So I figured let's unbox it, tell you guys what I like, what I don't like, and yeah, just get straight into it. So Sennheiser, as we know, they make great kit. They make great pieces of kit. But I'll tell you guys what I like about it, what I don't like about it. You know, this is not a sponsored video. Let me make that clear. Sennheiser has no control over what I'm saying. This is my own opinion. Now, obviously, I am sponsored by Razer, but I promise that won't get in the way. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. Taking a very tight fit. Very tight fit. Very tight fit. Very tight fit. Very tight. Very tight fit. Very tight fit. Oh shit. Where the fuck the function? Okay, very tight fit. Sennheiser known for their quality, very tight fit. Obviously Sennheiser is known for the quality, you know, the packaging. It is a very tight fit. Very tight fit. Very tight fit. Oh shit. Oh dear, I kind of pushed it back in a little bit, so I kind of undid some of my progress. Very tiny fit from fucking hell! Jesus Christ. This is difficult. This is bloody difficult. Oh, here we go. It's working a bit better now. Here we go. That was a very tight fit. And here we go. So we got the horn, cable, and the this is the adapter to turn it from TRS into 3.5mm jack. So that's just a lot of foam, very good foam. We got the instruction manual. Fucking don't need that shit. Don't need that bloody shit. Okay, so let us see. Now, I don't know about you, but where the fuck is the function? Okay, so you detach the cable by twisting. Okay, so it's got a twist lock. Very light, very, very light. If it wasn't from such a high quality brand, I'd think it was a piece of shit, to be honest, because of how light it is. But it's very light, obviously adjustable. Nice beige colorway with the brown accents. Alright, let's try them on. I think I'll adjust it to that. I got quite a big schnoz, so adjust it a little bit. Oh, need to do a little bit more. Wow, what a fucking function. Wow. How do I look? Now we got a silica gel. This is to avoid moisture damage, of course. These are our cables. Let's see what we got here. Now I assume there's 2 cables. There's multiple. This is like a real mini. Wait, okay, yes. So this is the TRS connector. And this is the standard 3.5 millimeter connector. What the fuck the function? Let me cut this open. Careful not to cut the actual cord. There we go. There we are. There we go. So this is your standard 3.5 millimeter headphone jack connector. So obviously your TRS one much longer, but look at this, a big beefy jack. I mean, that is beef, right? Beef, right? That's beefy, but a bit impractical. Can we be honest? Bit impractical. Don't really need that. I mean, you know, nice to have. A bit impractical. Beef. But this one is quite a bit longer, interestingly, but a bit impractical. So I think I'll just be sticking with the standard one, and probably going to do a bit of a audio extension cord a bit. So, all right, that was the first impression and unboxing of the Sennheiser HD599. Wasn't really a first impression. I didn't even plug them in, but they look quite good. Look quite good. Look quite good. Yes. Look quite good. Alright, so I'll catch you guys later. Peace.